To access secure folder when you forget your PIN or password in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first go to App Script and find secure folder. At first you have to prepare your password of your Samsung account. Now just type any PIN or password and then tap done button. Here you can see that if you have entered the wrong PIN or password, you will be given with the option of forgot PIN. Tap the option and then tap reset. Now you have to type the password of the Samsung account. Now select secure folder log path. As the example, we will select PIN. Next, enter your new PIN for your secure folder. Tap continue and then enter the PIN to confirm it. Tap OK button. Now your secure folder PIN has been reset. You can use this new PIN to access your secure folder. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.